So, okay, what is our first recipe that we'll be doing today, Kyong?
First recipe, I'm going to show you how to make walnut gluten, vegetarian beef.
Okay, and for the walnut gluten, the vegetarian beef, you will need 1 cup of water, 3/4 cup walnuts, half teaspoon sea salt, half teaspoon onion powder, 1/4 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 1/2 cup vital gluten flour, 2 tablespoons of whole wheat flour. For the broth, you will need 5 cups of water, 1/4 cup soy sauce unfermented, half teaspoon sea salt, 1 teaspoon onion powder, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, and 2 tablespoons of nutritional yeast flakes.
You did it. Good job, Larry.
Thank you very much.
Okay, first what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you how to make a broth first. So I'm going to go and turn the fire on. Is it on? Yeah,
Yes,
I can
it
hear
is.
that. What you do, first I'm going to add 1/4 cup soy sauce. And the next one, I will add half teaspoon sea salt. And onion powder, 1 teaspoon onion powder. And 1 teaspoon garlic powder.
Sure smells good.
It's already smell good. Then I'm adding nutritional yeast flakes. And this one tastes really good and also very high in vitamin B1, B2, B6, B12. And so it has really nutty flavor in it.
A lot of protein and
A lot
fiber.
of protein and fiber also. And then you need to let it boil. Then what I will do, second part, we are going to use a blender, honey.
Okay.
Yeah. And first, we're going to add 1 cup water.
All right.
It's already boiling. Then I'm going to go ahead and put some walnut gluten. I mean, there's walnuts, yeah.
Okay.
And go and put some garlic powder,
Okay.
sea salt, and onion powder. Then we are going to blend it until nice and smooth.
Nice and smooth.
Yeah, that's the key word, nice and smooth.
Okay. Get the lid on here and we'll do some.
Yeah.
Ready?
I'm going to go.
Okay.
That looks good? Okay, that looks really good.
Okay, sounds good.
All right.
Oops.
What I will do, I'm using a gluten flour. Now these days you can get it from any grocery store. I will show you what the gluten flour box look like. This one called Vital Wheat Gluten. And excuse me. This one is always about the protein substrate from the wheat flour. So it's all protein. And then I'm gonna add wheat flour. Then I'm gonna go ahead and mix really good. I'm gonna go ahead and turn this one off because it's really boiling. And then I'm gonna mix really good here. This recipe, I already showed you about 3 years ago in 3abn's kitchen. But since then, I had so many requests from all over the world that they want to learn how to make. A lot of new viewers, so I'm going to show you again. And this recipe, I'm going to use it again and again for the next few recipes. So it's a very important recipe. Okay, honey, go ahead and pour in here.
Ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Let me make a mess here.
Oh, it's okay. Just put it all in there.
Okay.
I need every
bit?
drops. Yeah. All right, that's really good.
Okay.
Then what I will do, you just go ahead and mix it with the hand. So I'll wear some glove on. But this one tastes so good. It's not really like a vegetarian beef, but it has such a texture in it. So if you want to eat healthy and stay away from eating a meat, and this one will really greatly help you. And as you know, this one has no cholesterol whatsoever. And the beef is very high in cholesterol. That's why a lot of people have a number one health problem is what is heart problem in America. Okay, I think this is fine.
Okay.
Okay. I think I can just take this one off. And after that, what you need to do, go and spray oil, then make get about like a loaf size like that. It's about 7 to 8 inches long. This is about fine. Then I will turn it back on.
You got a knife?
Yeah. Then when the broth is started boiling, you need to slice. So about half inches thick. Then you drop it in the boiling broth and you cook for about 30 minutes. Look at that, how easy it is. You cook for 30 minutes, then I'll just let it cool off. What I do after it's just boiling, I will just reduce the heat, then boil for 30 minutes. Then after you turn the heat off, just let it cool off. And you can just take the gluten out, and it freezes really good. You can put it in the freezer, and whenever you need a meat substitution is there, is the meat there. Okay, we have a finished product we can show to you.
Yes, very nice here.
I have we'll make some room for you.
Doesn't that look good? You can make hamburger meat, everything with this. It's so wonderful.
When it comes up from the pan, supposed to be look like this. I want to show you. Supposed to be look like that. But in the middle, what I did, I put in the food processor to ground it, look like a ground beef. And then whenever you need a taco filling, if you want to make enchiladas, and you can use that. So this is a wonderful recipes. Okay.
It is, and it sure tastes good too, I tell you that.